There are two possibilities that cause the indicators to be inaccurate. It's either we do not really understand how the indicator works, or the main force of stock market intentionally make it inaccurate. The main force did this with only one goal, which is to trick retail investors like us. There are two things that the main force aiming to take away from us, which are shares and money. How they do it is pretty simple. Create false signals on technical indicators, make us buy or sell shares as what they want us to do. So, smart people will never blame that the technical indicators for being inaccurate, but think deeper into it to recall how did we get tricked by the main force. If we were tricked to buy a share and the share price start falling right after we bought into it, the possibility of the share price continues falling is absolutely high. Same to the case when we were tricked to sell a share. If the share price rises right after we follow a technical indicator and sell it, the possibility of the share price continue raising is very high. Let me show you an example. At these few points, OBV in pink color has downward crossed the moving average of OBV in black and quickly returned to the top of moving average of OBV. For those who do not know how to utilize OBV, it is a sell signal when OBV downward cross MA/OBV. So from the first 2 to 3 times it gave us sell signals and the share price did not fall but continued to rise instead. We should be aware that the main force holding these shares is a crafty one. Once we are aware of it, we can then start looking at the shares using different mindset. Whenever the OBV drops below the MA/OBV and returns to the top after it, we can take it as an entry point from now on. After doing this, your trading game will be completely different compared to just focus on reading technical indicators and feeling upset about it. Okay, we have done looking at example where the main force tricked us to sell shares. Now, let's look at this one where the main force tricked us to buy or pick up shares that they are looking to clear holdings. Take a look at this box. The upper shadow of the candlestick is at the top of this 21 days moving average line, and it ended up closing below the MA line. This indicates that the main force has once tricked us to buy into it during the market trading hours. At this point, we should leave a remark on this share, reminding ourselves that the main force of this share is a crafty one. Then, for the upcoming second and third time seeing similar trades, we should be very clear that this is a share that cannot be purchased at all until the share price falls to a bottom level. This is because when a main force tricks us to buy shares to clear its holdings, let's say at $30, it is impossible that they will stop falling at $29 or $28. We need to understand that the main force is a professional team with huge amount of capital comparing to our thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. Therefore, once we find that we are tricked by the main force, do not continue holding the shares anymore. The earlier you clear your holdings, the smaller loss you make. I'm very confident about it. I have heard not one, not two, and not three, but more than 100 investors telling me cases like making entry at $30 and still holding it when the share price is at about $3, which makes me speechless as I do not know what else to reply. In my view, this is not about trading skills or methods anymore, but all about logic thinking. I have shared multiple trading models and skills on this channel, but over the years, I still find it not easy to correct one mindset or logic thinking when it comes to stock trading. So I hope this video can help you or any of your friends to make up their minds. In short, the main force or the big boys of stock market are surely our biggest enemy in our trading or investing journey. We are alone and with much lesser capital as compared to them. Therefore, the only way to make gains consistently in the stock market is to keep track of them and eventually follow their trades. If you would like to find out how Homely Chart can help in achieving this, do feel free to connect with me through my contact details in the description box below this video.